how to create a New Year countdown video. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As we approach the end of the year, let's infuse a burst of creativity into your celebrations. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a visually stunning New Year countdown video using the fantastic tools Wondershare Filmora and a dash of your artistic flair. But before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Now, let's get started. Firstly, let's explore the user-friendly world of Filmora, a tool that caters to both beginners and professionals. Begin by launching Filmora and importing your desired clips. To enhance the festive atmosphere, consider including scenes of glittering fireworks, sparkling champagne toasts, and joyful gatherings with friends and family. Piece these moments together on the timeline to create the foundation of your countdown video. Next, let's talk about the soundtrack. Adding background music is crucial to setting the mood for your New Year celebration video. Head over to the Filmora official website, where you can find a variety of royalty-free tracks that perfectly complement the festive vibe. Import the chosen music into your timeline, adjusting its length to match the duration of your video. Now, let's elevate your video with countdown elements. Head over to the Elements tab in Filmora, where you'll find a diverse collection of countdown timers and New Year-themed graphics. Drag and drop your selected countdown element onto the timeline, adjusting its duration to fit seamlessly. Consider adding animated confetti, party hats, and colorful overlays to make your countdown more visually appealing. To further customize your countdown, explore Filmora's intuitive editing features. Experiment with different text styles, colors, and fonts to match the overall vibe of your celebration. You can also add fun transitions between clips to create a seamless and engaging viewing experience. As your countdown video takes shape, let's talk about exporting your masterpiece. Navigate to the Export tab, select your preferred settings, and click Export. Filmora will process your video, ensuring a high-quality output for your audience. Before we wrap up, don't forget to add a festive intro, wishing your viewers a Happy New Year and inviting them to subscribe for more exciting content. For more creative ideas and detailed tutorials, visit the Filmora official website. And there you have it, a visually captivating New Year countdown video, effortlessly created with Filmora. If you found the tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!